Our world is in flux. Between an increase in disasters of more than 400% over the past 30 years, economic instability, and looming danger from outside forces, many have turned to preparing themselves. What was once a niche market reserved for preppers is now mainstream. Since 2005, WSK has provided millions of emergency products and survival kits to companies, church and nonprofit groups, and various government agencies around the world. We mass-produce hundreds of unique kits and can help establish your brand with customization. We offer dropshipping for approved accounts and distribute brands such as Guardian Survival Gear, allowing you to sell recognizable products on your website and in your retail store. Join our efforts in preparing the world. Click the Apply button to begin.